Did you know, on the shores of Gujarat, near the Somnath temple, there's a stone pillar from the 6th century that suggests from this point, sail south and you shall reach a land of perpetual ice. This land is today known as Antarctica. Yes, the world discovered Antarctica in 1773. Yet ancient Indians knew about its existence centuries before. How? The ancient Indians used homegrown navigational tools like the Kamal, Yantraraja and Turya Yantra to explore vast oceans. That's just a glimpse of how advanced ancient Indian technologies were. India was once the workshop of the world. We built whatever we needed within India. And that's why we were once called the golden sparrow. But today, in the age of technology, are we building for ourselves? Think about it. Is the screen on which you're watching this video locally made? Is the operating system you're using locally made? Is the software you're using locally made? No. In 2022, $400 billion worth of electronics were locally made in China. In India, just $26 billion. And that's just the hardware. Think of the software we consume daily. Isn't it time we reclaim our legacy of the golden sparrow and empower India to build its own future? And this isn't a pipe dream. It's also the vision of AjnaLens. AjnaLens has built technology entirely within India. Our XR headset is locally made. Our XR operating system is locally made. Our XR software development kit is locally made. We are building world-class technologies locally for an Atmanirbhar Bharat. It's time to be vocal for local. But this time even louder. Jai Hind.